These mini wireless doorbells are awesome. Now this is a 2-pack I have, and you can put this in your office or in home. If you let's say you work in your room and you don't want to be bothered, but you do want to be notified of something, you can have these installed in your room using double-sided sticky tape. They use watch batteries, CR batteries, and it does come included with it. And let's do a test example. You click it once, it lights up. Press it again. You probably hear it in the background. So these are very easy to install. So again, you can put this on any wall surface, or you can have it in your hand like I do. If you have 2 of these, you have multiple options, but essentially you mount it on your wall of choice, and the receiver plugs into the outlet. And if you look down here, there's the outlet. And if I click this, this should alert this. Now there are multiple options you can do to change the volume level, the chime sounds, and if you want to mute it, but I just kind of leave everything as default. So it works as intended out of the box, and I really like using it. And if you have the 2-pack, then you can have your second one set somewhere else. So one right here and one right here. This is great if you're expecting some deliveries, but you can't get to the door or something like that, or you can't hear it. Or if, let's say, you have a tenant that lives downstairs, this could be perfect for them too, as they can have their separate doorbell. Very convenient to use, very easy to use, and you can hear the sound. It's not too audible, but you can change the volume as I mentioned earlier. Let's hear it one more time.